concern of the patient is the pain. But I'll focus on the back pain today. I have no COI. These studies are contributed by all of the members at the Pain Management Center in Yamaguchi University Hospital. Thank you for contributing me. So, yeah, talk about low back pain. In Japan, the lifetime low back pain prevalence was 83%, and the 4 weeks prevalence was 36%. So many people are suffering from low back pain in Japan. So earlier papers reported from North America on low back pain diagnosis by primary care doctors at walk-in clinic and emergency hospitals. This paper reported the proportion of diagnosable low back pain with a clear cause was only 15 to 50%, 20% of patients with low back pain. However, recent study in Japan revealed that 78% of cases were classified as specific low back pain. It means a diagnosable low back pain by orthopedists with clear diagnosis, and they moved to the proper treatment. So, yeah, I summarized the first data. So not able to diagnose in Japan is only 20%. So around 80% of low back pain in Japan reviewed, classified and identified. And yeah, this data to low back pain should help to improve the quality of low back pain treatment. Okay, next topics in clinical significant changes in NRS in patients with chronic low back pain. There are many ways to evaluate the improvement of back pain. However, standardized evaluation method has not shown. So, for example, how much score, how much patient feels improvement. Our NRS bars are the most common pain rating scale, but they are quite subjective, and there are not clear criteria in improvement patient feel. So MCID, you know, as the smallest difference in score that patient can perceive as beneficial or harmful in clinical. How much improvement in scale are meaningful in low back pain treatment, you know? So from now, I will show the score. In this study, we focus on the patient global impression pain, PGIC. So patient feel improved or worse following treatment. The aim of this study is to clarify the cutoff values and MCID for delta PINRS. Delta PINS means the difference between before and after surgery score. So delta PIS, NRS in low back pain. In addition, to determine the threshold values of the other multifaceted scales. Here is a study flowchart of the study to show how to read the MCID, the cutoff values. We analyzed 161 low back patients following 3 months treatment in Pain Management Center. I show the characteristics and baseline clinical profile in chronic low back pain patients. We separate 3 groups depending on the pain intensity, mild pain, so moderate pain, and severe pain per group before treatment. So let me show the results. This diagram is ROC analysis of 8 major clinical scales for their utility in distinguish the status of satisfaction based on PGIC. Due to PINRS is the most strong correlation with patient satisfaction. Therefore, we calculated MCID, the cutoff values for due to PINRS. according to the baseline severity of NRS. So this represents the MCID in the cutoff values of due to PNRS. So the cutoff value was 1.3 to 1.8 and MCID 0.85 to 0.996. NRS, because of the NRS is the numerical scale, so yeah, I said to you the cutoff value of low back pain due to PNRS was 2 and the MCID is 1. We analyze the additional scores. We use the due to PNRS is 2 as a new anchor, depends on the previous data. So then we could review the cutoff values of the PDAS, PCS, PSEC, etc. It's much faster scale in chronic pain. This data was the first report. So here is the score in each much faster scale. For example, PDAS, so Pain Disability Assessment Score, the cutoff value was 67, and the PCS was 6.7, and the PSEC 64.5, blah, blah, blah. So recently, MCID and the cutoff values were calculated in many kinds of disease in the world. We repeat to show the data of low back pain due to PNRS. The cutoff value is 2 and MCID 1. So in conclusions, we reported the recent topics in low back pain in Japan. We showed the clinically significant changes in pain along the pain intensity numerical rating scale in patients with chronic low back pain. We review due to PNRS of over 2 or MCID of over 1 as clinically significant threshold and treatment target in low back pain patients. Thank you for your attention.